Hello everyone, this is Apurva Prashad and welcome to my channel. So today we are going to see how to add different effects and features to our MS Word document and how to make it look more attractive. So first I want all of you to please have a look at my document. Here I have added different formatting features, pictures and also tables to make it look more attractive. So let's see how to do this. So you must have noticed that I have written my heading in a very different way with many effects. This is known as word art. So let's see how to add word art to a text. So for that I have taken a word nutrient, I have selected it, then I have gone to insert tab. There in the text group we will find the word art option. If we click at that, we can see a dialog box like this. From there we have to apply our word art, then we have to click on OK and that word art will be applied to our text. So let's see how to add effect to a text. For that I have written a sentence, technology is necessary nowadays. I have selected it and then in the font group in the home tab I have selected the color option. From there we can choose any color of our text we want. So I have chosen here yellow. After that I have selected the text once again and in the font group only there is written Calibri body, that is the font of the text. I have changed it to other font. This is used when we have to apply effects to our text. First I have selected it and after that I have applied bold effect to the text. We can see that the text is bold. After that we have again selected it and applied italics. Now the text is slightly tilted towards the left. Here now again selecting it and after that I am applying underline effect to the text. Then the text will be underlined. There are many underline options which you can select from the drop down menu. So you might have noticed that I have added some pictures also to my document. So let's see how to add pictures to our document. So for adding a picture, first we have to go to insert. There in the illustrations group we will find the picture option. So first we have to place the cursor where we have to add the picture. Then after clicking on the pictures icon, we'll see a drop down box like this. From here we have to select the picture that we want in our document and then clicking on insert we will find our picture on our document. So we can see here there is a picture and we can also minimize or maximize its size by the cursor like this, and there are some picture styles given here, so we can select any one from them if we want or we need them. So there are many styles given here. We can choose any one we want and then our picture is ready to use in our document. So now let's see how to add a table in a document. For that first we have to go to the table option in the tables group and insert tab. There if we'll click we will find a dialog box like this. Actually there are three ways from which we can insert a table. These are we can insert a table directly or we can insert it by draw table or by insert table. So today we are inserting the table directly. Let's see how to do this. So here we can see a grid of tables. From there we have to choose the number of rows and columns we want and our tables will be selected and it will be displayed on the document. After selecting the table, an option of colors will automatically be displayed on the top. From there we can choose the color which we want and we can format our table in this way. So at last we have to see that we have to add bullet in a document. For that I have written a sentence, nutrition management is very important. Now if we want it to be in points, then we can see that in a paragraph group there are bullets option. From there we can select any bullet we want and then we have to just put it beside the text and there we can have the bullet. After pressing the enter key we can again have one more bullet there like this and we can again type the word. These were the effects and features that I have applied in my video. Hope you liked the video. If you like it, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.